Well, it's that time of year again. No, not the time where your New Year's resolutions have started to fade, but when Facebook tells us all how much money they're making from all of our likes, shares, and comments. On Wednesday, Facebook reported its Q4 and 2015 full year earnings, and the major takeaway is that you, as a user, are actually more valuable than ever to the company. Now, Mark, Facebook reported that they have 1.59 billion users.
Wow.
And they're making money off of these users, but the issue that they're having is that their growth on the platform is starting to stall.
Yeah, any publicly traded company needs to show 10% quarterly growth, and they have to find a way to show that growth. So if people are not signing up, how do they do that?
Yeah, so basically what they are proposing now, or what we're looking at, is the average revenue per user. So every time that Facebook adds someone, they're making money off of us as we're liking, as we're sharing, as we're commenting. And year over year, quarter over quarter, as the growth has continued to increase, they haven't really had to worry about how much money they're making per user because there are just so many people signing up. And what we're starting to see now is that as they start to plateau with their growth, they have to make money faster now on each person. And so they reported that even though their platform growth is up 14% from last year, the average revenue per user is actually up 26% last year. So we have a chart that we can go full screen on that has all of these statistics on it. So it talks about Facebook's average revenue per user worldwide, as they reported, was $3.73. But in the United States and Canada, you can see that it was actually $13.54 that they're making. So when you times that by 1.59 billion people, Facebook's making a lot of money.
Yeah, and this report actually was good news for them. It beat their expectations, and so the people like Bono, who own a lot of Facebook stock, had a good day.
Yeah. I mean, they saw a huge increase in their stocks after this information came out. Now, they were very, very coy about some of the other things that they have recently put money into that seem to not be going anywhere. You have the Oculus Rift, which people were saying, oh, this is going to be great for virtual reality, and they kind of haven't really said anything about what those sales are looking like, what they're anticipating there, because a lot of their growth strategy is going to come from video. So Sheryl Sandberg, the COO of Facebook, had this to say about how they're looking to move towards video views in the future. In terms of replacing TV, we certainly don't think we're going to replace any one medium. Our growth is pretty broad, but we do think the eyeballs are shifting, not just from TV, but from a lot of other formats to mobile. And we are very well positioned not just to participate, but to lead that shift.
Well, even for this program, a lot of our viewers are shifting from watching on YouTube to watching on Facebook. Some people right now might be watching on Facebook. Hey, so how's it going? That definitely, we've seen a shift in that over the past year.
Yeah, and then now you know that Facebook, YouTube, all of these companies, your video views, you watching on your mobile phone, not only are they anticipating that, but they're banking on that to keep making them money in the future.